There was a gate on the left up here last time we came down, somewhere up in the woods. It went kind of to nowhere. I'm sure, yeah, I mean, sure it's private, but yeah, this one right here, it's always closed. That's something to explore in the future. Actually, we could get around that. Yeah, easy. We could just whoosh right up there. Well, with you could. I have fucking Bolt tires. Actually, that looks like kind of a neat trail. I think it might loop around and oh, there's another trail. When I was walking through the woods looking for the drone for 4 days, I'm telling you, that some of that property back there was insanely nice. Insane. I mean, it just gorgeous, you know, like these were beautiful stone walls. I'm not talking like the, you know, crumbling ones like these. They were really nice stone walls. And that land hasn't been touched since the mid 1800s, early 1900s, over 100 years. But the bummer is that they don't let anybody walk around back there. Look at that building on the right. This must be a lean-to for like animals, my guess. Yeah, those Malaysians are having no luck with those airplanes. Yeah, I think how many were lost in the first one? Wasn't it like 300? I thought it was 200 or 300, and then this one was 163 or... That's crazy. Crazy! I haven't been down here in a while, but there is, if I'm going the right way, this should loop around this road. Does it? Okay. But there's a really funky house at the bottom of this this hill where it turns around and comes back up. Like a compound almost, you know, like it had huge walls around it, and they were speculating. I guess we haven't heard anything further about that first Malaysian thing that was lost, right? That's still MIA. Yeah, unlikely to be found. Well, there is speculation that we know precisely where it is. Nothing anymore happens on this planet without the government knowing about it. Nothing. They know about it. They know where we are right now. This is a nice area. So my war on the rodents at home is going well. This is the compound. This massive, I mean, it's not like, you know, a stone wall or anything, but you can't see anything out there. It's kind of a groovy house. Oh, a couple houses there. What's that? Oh, the help needs a home, yeah. It's intriguing, you know. I'd love to know what's in there. 2 gates. Lakeview Terrace. That sounds interesting. I'm guessing there's a view of the lake down there. What is today's date? The 27th? I don't know. Yeah, so that road that we just went down, I think between this road and that road, it's all just open water company space. I never finished that whole computer thing. When I went to get the computer years ago, I mean, I think my computer's like 2008. So what's that, 6 years? You just, when you buy the Apple, you just buy the box. It doesn't come with anything. You have to add on all your little stuff. And I got the computer, the TV. It was basically what it is. That just plugs into the computer. And it was like 150 or 200 bucks for this massive, you know, not nearly as large as the one that you're talking about, but it was quite a large screen. I said, you know, I mean, because I think the last time I actually purchased a TV was, you know, 25 years ago or something, and TVs for a big screen were, you know, thousands of dollars. Now they're paper thin, they're flat, you know, flat screen, and they cost $100 or, you know, $300, $400, $500. I mean, I know that you can get $1,000 TVs still, but certainly more than what you need.